everyone, this is Kavina, a UK counselor. Today I'm here with some of the questions that most students frequently ask. Let's start with the first question. Do you need financial documents for a UK student visa? You do not have to show any financial documents, but you should show an education loan letter or balance certificate and bank statement. Can I study in the UK without IELTS? Yes, you can apply without IELTS or PT for bachelor's and master's program if you have B or B plus in 12th English grade. Can I take my spouse or dependents to the UK? Yes, you can take your spouse to the UK if you are applying to the Masters in Research course. Last but not the least, the question is, what are the intakes available in the UK? Currently, the active intake in UK is March, April, and May, and the upcoming intake is September 2026. So be ready and apply now.